We're going to be solving this equation involving logarithm. Log to base 2, 2x plus 1 plus log to base 2x minus 3 is equal to 2. So what we'll do is we need the following laws, number 1 and number 2. So we'll begin with number 1 that says whenever we see addition, we multiply. So what that means is that we're going to say log to base 2 of 2x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 3 is equal to 2. And then next we'll need law number 2 that says whenever we have log to base a of m equal to p, then m is equal to a raised to the power of p. And so what represents m here are the terms in brackets. And then what represents a is the 2 here, the base, and what represents p is the 2 here, the result. And so what we'll do now is to say 2x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 3 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2. And so we know that 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. And then we expand 2x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 3. That will give us 2x plus 1 times x minus 3. When we expand, we have 2x squared. And then we'll have minus 6x plus x, that's minus 5x and minus 3. So here is 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 to be equal to 4. And then we'll have to move 4 in so that it becomes 2x squared minus 5x minus 4 minus 3 will give us minus 7 equal to 0. So now we are solving a quadratic equation with 2 and 7 multiplied, that will give us minus 14. So we're looking for two numbers that when we multiply, we get minus 14, and when we add, we get minus 5. Remember, we're taking, is it 1 and 14, or is it 2 and 7? Yes, it's 2 and 7. If we make 7 to be negative, that's to say that we'll open a bracket and say 2x plus 2, and open another bracket and say 2x minus 7, and say equal to 0, but we'll have to remember to divide by 2. And so 2 will cancel off 2 here and 2 here. And so what we'll have is that x plus 1 in multiplying 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. And we'll solve these equations. When x plus 1 is 0, that is x is minus 1. And then when 2x minus 7 is 0, that means 2x is 7 and x is minus 7 over 2. That's rather 7 over 2. That's 3.5. So x is minus 1 or x is 3.5. But remember that we are taking logarithm, so we need to check for validity because we cannot take the logarithm of a negative number. That's to say that x minus 3, that's the second term in the question there, must be greater than 0. So x must be greater than 3. That's to say only 3.5 is okay. 1 is not okay because the rule specifies that x must be greater than 3. And so what we do now is to say x is equal to 3.5. That's the only answer to this question. So that's where we'll end it. Bye-bye.